Hello everyone, welcome to Isa Homes. Today we are here at Purple Crest Villas at Namir Eleganza, an exclusive gated community of 5 BHK homes in southeast Bangalore. Placed between Sarjapura and Electronic City with wide 100 feet access road, ये प्रीमियम टाउनशिप है जहां आपको मिलता है लग्जरी लिविंग, मैक्सिमम ओपन स्पेस और अनबीटेबल कनेक्टिविटी. Let's have a look at the model house.
Take a bird's eye view of South Bangalore's finest gated community. You are now flying over phase 2 of Purple Crest, 20 acres of prime villa development where luxury living is about to take shape. The ready-to-use 75,000 square feet clubhouse is in the heartbeat of Eleganza, with modern gym, indoor games, pool and more. यहाँ सिर्फ लग्जरी नहीं, लाइफस्टाइल भी मिलेगा. टेनिस, बास्केटबॉल या इवनिंग वॉक, सब कुछ एक ही कैंपस में.
Begin your journey with 2 covered car parking and a beautifully designed sit-outs that sets the tone for the peaceful living. सुबह की चाय हो या शाम की बातचीत, ये sit-out उसके लिए perfectly designed है. As you step inside, you are welcomed by a bright and elegant formal living room, perfect for guest or first impression. Next to it, when we move forward, there is a big, spacious living area ideal for family time, bonding, binge watching. Next to the living, we have a puja unit perfectly placed at the right corner of the house for spiritual energy. The dining area is centrally located between the family space and the kitchen. This is a modern sleek kitchen with ample amount of space for storage and cabinet, as well as there is an island counter in the center. Next to the kitchen you have utility area where there is a sink placed for washing machine and a store room. इस घर में हर चीज के लिए अलग स्पेस है, किचन के साथ यूटिलिटी और स्टोर, ताकि आपका घर हमेशा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड रहे. A powder room near the staircase offers added convenience for the guest. A thoughtfully placed guest bedroom on the ground floor with attached washroom is perfect or ideal for elderly senior citizens or visitors. Now let's move to the first floor where there is kids, master and guest bedroom. On the first floor, a cozy family lounge awaits, perfect for TV night or casual hangout. Next to it, there is a spacious master bedroom with wooden flooring and a place for divan. ये bedroom आपका personal space है जहाँ privacy और comfort दोनों मिलता है. This room comes with attached balcony and a walk-in wardrobe with attached bathroom and enough space for everything. Next to TV cabinet in family lounge, there is bright and cheerful kids bedroom, which comes with attached washroom. This room is perfectly designed for younger family members and has ample amount of space for storage. Adjacent to the staircase, there is another spacious guest bedroom, which is perfect for visiting friends or other family members, and it has ample amount of space for storage, and it comes with attached washroom. Now let's go to the second floor where there is a media room, bar counter, as well as private terrace. Heading to the top floor, at the entrance you have a place for a bar counter, comes with attached bathroom, and there is an expansive media room which is perfect for a movie night or a gaming marathon. Step out into your private open terrace, ideal for rooftop parties, yoga sessions or even a private garden. ये जगह आपके लाइफस्टाइल को एलिवेट करता है. बारबेक्यू नाइट हो, सनराइज हो, वीकेंड चिल हो, यहाँ पे सब कुछ मुमकिन है. Now let's talk about the project. 320 plus families already residing in phase 1. Clubhouse with gym, pool, indoor games, lift in every villa, Vastu compliant layout. Pricing starts from 5.7 CR to 8.2 CR. Position is around June 2027. The Purple Crest edition blends space, elegance and community. Every villa has its lift provision, premium finishes, Vastu aligned, perfect for a growing family. Luxury सिर्फ डिजाइन में नहीं, हर डिटेल में दिखता है. ये आपके सपनों का घर हो सकता है. If this villa felt like your future, make it real. And if you are ready to walk through this in person, get in touch with us and schedule a site visit. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Iza Homes for more luxury videos like this. Thank you so much.